Here I have the SANDCRAFT fill and drain plug kit that replaces your factory plugs. Ours offers 16 times more magnetic power than stock and has a 10mm hex design that prevents any stripping when removing them. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on their locations and torque specs. Differential fill plug removal, 8mm Allen, install, 10mm hex socket, torque to 10 foot-pounds. Differential drain plug, 8mm Allen removal, 10mm hex socket installation, torque to 10 foot-pounds. Engine oil drain plug, 6mm Allen wrench removal, 10mm hex socket installation, torque to 12 foot-pounds. Transmission drain plug, 8mm Allen wrench removal, 10mm hex socket installation, torque to 14 foot-pounds. Transmission fill plug, 8mm Allen wrench removal, 10mm hex socket installation, torque 14 foot-pounds.